There's two basic reasons why your DAS solution has probably reached the end of life or needs to be upgraded. One has to do with frequencies, the other has to do with features, and I'll touch on both of those here in just a moment. So with respect to frequencies, most DAS were deployed in the last 10 years, and most of those DAS were deployed, with 3G and 4G networks in mind. For 3G networks were deployed using 850 spectrum and PCS spectrum. As 4G came into play, we added on 700 megahertz spectrum and we added on AWS. And then as we evolved to 5G, we added in BRS, CBRS, and C-band. Now, I don't really expect you to understand all the different acronyms and the types of spectrums, but I do want you to capture the fact that the spectrum capabilities of the DAS and of the networks have evolved over time. And one of the reasons why your DAS may not be performing as well as it should be is simply because it's no longer, or it's not capable of leveraging the new frequencies that are available by the operators. So if you're thinking about your DAS and you're trying to wonder why do you need to upgrade, it's very similar to your handsets. You get a new phone every couple of years because the carriers tell you that, I need to get on 5G and the old phone does not support it. Well, your DAS is exactly the same way. It's got to be able to support the frequency bands that are needed for 5G, and it also has to be able to support the features.